Welcome to Tesla Vision. Today we will talk about the most recent Tesla news and updates. Let's get into it right away. Tesla is going to begin massive deliveries of its Tesla Model S, a flagship EV sedan, very soon. The company's online configurator indicates that the deliveries of Model S Plaid are expected to begin in June of 2021. Tesla Model S Plaid deliveries have been delayed for numerous times due to several reasons. The deliveries were initially to begin in February of 2021. However, the date has been pushed back on several occasions as the company faced quite a number of Model S Plaid production challenges. One of the challenges was and still is the chip shortage that has been a major factor affecting not only Tesla but also the entire automotive industry. However, those seem to have been successfully overcome by Tesla, and it's expected that on the 3rd of June 2021, Tesla will host a special delivery event at its Fremont factory. The new estimated deliveries for the updated Model S base variants with long trim are to begin at some point between September and October of 2021. We also believe that the deliveries of Tesla Model X long range and Plaid variants will begin in January or February 2022. Tesla Model S Plaid Plus, in its turn, is going to be a more extreme variant of the Plaid model. However, at the moment, it's impossible to order that particular vehicle as the company seems to have blocked this particular option. Tesla Model S Plaid with 3 electric motors is definitely going to be an insane vehicle in and of its own. It's going to be one of the best vehicles out there with amazing shiftless driving experience and, among many other things, excellent cabin climate control features, including tri-zone temperature controls, standard front seat ventilation, and HEPA filtration. The vehicle is going to be quite spacious with sufficient interior space for accommodating up to 3 adult passengers, alongside with some extra legroom. Its stowable armrest will have extra storage capacity and a wireless charger. Tesla Model S Plaid specifications include 0 to 60 miles per hour acceleration time of 1.99 seconds, 1,020 horsepower, a quarter-mile driving time of 9.23 seconds at a speed trap of 155 miles per hour, and an estimated driving range of 390 miles. The car will have a wide center display with a 2200 by 1300 resolution. The sculpted rear seats will have an 8-inch screen option, making it possible for their occupant to enjoy the access to various gaming and infotainment functions identical to those at the main screen. The wireless controller will make it possible for you to play any game from any seat, enabling in-car gaming on par. Tesla Model S Plaid will have a multi-device Bluetooth with wireless fast charging option. The car will provide for the best imaginable listening experience with its 22 speakers and a 960-watt audio system, alongside with active noise cancellation option. Tesla Model S Plaid is a luxury vehicle with front and rear trunks as well as fold flat seat option. It will definitely have ambient lighting, heated seats, and now a standard glass roof. Either carbon fiber or wood will be used for door panel and dashboard trims. The doors have also been redesigned in such a way as to provide additional storage space. The most interesting part of Tesla Model S Plaid is definitely going to be its yoke steering wheel with the digital instrument panel located behind it. The vehicle will be available in 3 interior color options: white, beige, or black. There will be 3 variants of Tesla Model S available for purchase. A dual-motor long-range all-wheel drive option with 412 miles of driving range, the top speed of 155 miles per hour, 19-inch wheels, power heated side mirror and windshield, LED headlights, and automatic rear liftgate opening or closing. Tesla Model S Plaid will come with 3 motors and torque vectoring. Its top speed will reach 200 miles per hour, and the 3 motors will be capable of generating 1,020 horsepower and enabling the vehicle to travel for 390 miles over a single charge. Tesla Model S Plaid Plus will also have the top speed of 200 miles per hour. However, its engine will be capable of delivering over 1,100 horsepower, thus making it possible for the vehicle to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2 seconds. The single-charge driving range of Tesla Model S Plaid Plus is thought to reach the 520 miles mark. The driver assistance system will include lane keeping assist, parking obstruction warning, pedestrian detection, adaptive cruise control, and a surround view camera and video recording. Tesla is also offering the full self-driving suite, a driver assistance system option that has to be purchased separately. It will cost you an extra $10,000. Tesla Model S Plaid Plus will outrun not only other Plaid variants, but also the upcoming Halo vehicle and the next-generation Tesla Roadster. Over the past few months, Tesla seems to have finally found a way to overcome all the challenges causing initial delays in the Model S Plaid deliveries. It has been confirmed by the footage of the recent drone flyover of the Tesla Fremont factory. It revealed a massive number of ready-for-delivery flagship electric sedans. The drone operator who has uploaded this latest footage, Gabe Cow, has been following Tesla progress over the last few months, covering all the recent events and activities, including Tesla Model S refresh production progress at the Fremont factory. Tesla's recently started the shipments of the new Model S vehicles from the Fremont factory, which has also been revealed by the aerial footage. In the different areas of the facility, work on other Model S vehicles has also been evident. Tesla CEO Elon Musk noted that the new flagship sedan would be ready before the delivery event on the 3rd of June 2021. It is expected that the second quarter of Tesla will be different from the company's first quarter of 2021, which is, to a certain extent, proved by the presence of the Model S sedans at the Fremont factory. The company did not produce any Model S sedans during the entire first quarter of 2021, with the challenges associated with the ongoing supply chain issues and vehicle updates. The deliveries of the new Model S have been delayed on numerous occasions. As the company got successful with overcoming all the barriers coming in the way of the deliveries of the vehicle, it improved its Model S supply chain and the internal production processes. The demand for the new Model S will likely increase with the ramping supply chain. The company aims to eventually produce more than 2,000 Model S and Model X vehicles per week. There's been an update on the Model S Plaid delivery event date posted by Mr. Musk himself. Citing the need for some additional tweaking of the vehicle, Tesla CEO announced that it would be held on the 10th of June 2021. For the Plaid upgrade, the company has introduced a number of changes in the aerodynamics of the Model S, including wider side skirts, deeper front splitter, ducktail spoiler, and a rear diffuser, with some chassis improvements including the lower suspension, larger brakes, and new dampers. Following the first generation of Tesla Roadster in 2008, it was Tesla Model S that was the company's prime passenger vehicle, whose first deliveries began in 2012. At Tesla's 2020 fourth quarter earnings call, it was announced that there had been made certain major updates in the vehicle's interior. There were a number of Tesla Model S vehicles sighted right outside its Fremont factory in March. However, even Mr. Musk seems to agree that there are a number of fine details that have to be honed before the deliveries of the final product actually start. Tesla Model S Plaid reservation holders have been waiting for their vehicles to be delivered for months, with numerous assurances in the supreme quality of the final product coming from Tesla CEO himself. Tesla Model S long-range dual-motor all-wheel drive variant will have the starting price of $79,990. The Model S Plaid will come with the price tag of $119,990, and the Tesla Model S Plaid Plus will cost you $149,990. Make sure to check out one of the videos shown on your screen right now. We post videos daily, so feel free to subscribe and stay up to date on all most recent news and updates.